Hello again. Today here we have a Richards light table with a Bausch Lomb microscope. The light table itself is a MIM 336100. As you can see right there, the model number. This entire piece is in great shape. And here the microscope, the Bausch Lomb. Model number 537095. And this machine comes with a lot of control and features. We'll show you that in just a second, and let us know if you have any questions afterwards.
I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate to you guys how this machine works. This is in working condition. I'm going to go ahead and press the main power control on our control panel. Immediately you'll see that the light box does show up, and one cool feature that this has is you can change the intensity and you can also dim the lights. So I'm going to demonstrate that on high and then on low. Another cool feature that this microscope table does have is the swivel option. You can actually run your paper along the light table. I'm going to go ahead and turn the scanner on so you guys can see how well that works. As you can see, it's going. I can also slow it down. So you do have that control. Another control that you do have, I'm going to take you over here. You can also adjust the position of your microscope, either lengthwise or you can also center it. Another feature of the microscope itself is that you have these swivel heads that can go in any direction. We have two screws on the table to kind of show you that you can compare two items. You also have the feature of zooming in and focusing with these levers on the top of the microscope. So I'm going to go ahead and power the machine off. I demonstrated how well this is in working condition. Eric's going to go ahead and take some shots of the body of the machine so you can get a good idea of what it looks like.
All the wheels seem to be in pretty good shape. It moves around well. Overall, there's really no issues or damage to this machine. It's in good shape for its age and seems to be in great working order. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, you can let us know. My CyberOffice ID, and thank you for watching.